We have 60,846 $4 bid order on Friday after hours before the close. If this a real order, we might blow up on Monday like HKD stocks did 10 days ago when squeezed over 2000%. And now we are over 100% for the live short percentage, as you can see from the Ortex data. Today we're gonna discuss the price action for RDBX, where the price will squeeze, where the support we're gonna have for Monday, and of course we're gonna discuss a really important thing, which is the institution ownership for RDBX is now over the 268%. We're gonna discuss, is that possible? Before we're gonna continue in the video and discuss the price action and the fundamental for RDBX, we have an important news for our hunters on Patreon, because the next month is free. I understand completely a lot of hunter and trader having time off for vacation, but people don't trade at the moment because we have a really tough the last 6 months, and hopefully we're gonna have a recovery for the market for the next months. That's why I decided to have free month for all current hunters on Patreon, and we're gonna confirm right now. You're gonna get a message directly to your Patreon account confirming that you're not gonna be billed for the next month. Thank you for the support. Let's get right back to the video and discuss RDBX. We didn't hold our support, the $5.19. That's why the price went down, and after hours we have crazy volatility and the price went down, and you can see that the candle, the ring candle, we don't have a wick. Before we're gonna continue in the technical and discuss the reversal of price and the support, we're gonna discuss the most important thing, which is the institution ownership, because we have over 268% of institution ownership. Some people said, like, how that's possible? So how a single company can have 3x the amount of outstanding share? This will be a great question to ask. So that have to do with synthetic shares, rehypothecated shares, dark pool, and of course warrants. So there's a lot of things going on to explain that. However, in the meantime, let's talk about the technical, because this is a crazy movement at the moment for RDBX. After the nice jump that we did last 22 of July, after we tested this ascending line, we have a nice jump, but what we said last time, we need to hold above this current support after we broke it, the $5.19, in order to go around the $9 squeeze area. Until now, the $9, over the $9, this is will confirm RDBX to go to $10, 50, 100, you name it. People have crazy numbers. We're gonna go there. However, we have to focus on the realistic price. For me is the $9. And now we have to confirm a buying pressure at Monday around the $4. However, there is a reaction will happen pre-market or after the market open, because we're gonna see a volatility, which is this. We're gonna have the price go around the $4. We're gonna have a wick until the $3.64. What I mean by a wick is mean the price will test for a few minutes, then go higher. If we go in the 1 hour candle, should be big wick, then when it close above the $3.64. So this is a really important technical movement to see for RDBX to confirm there is a big buying pressure happening from below, preventing RDBX from going lower, confirming this is the last bottom, and we still continue to do higher lows. You see, in the big picture, we're still doing higher lows. So there's a potential for squeeze for RDBX as long as we held above this box or above this ascending line. This is the last bottom we should have for RDBX in order to have a reversal, then a test for the $5.19, the first resistance, to have a blow up again and testing the $9 squeeze area for RDBX. Simple as possible. However, this is critical move to have for RDBX in order to have realistic jump. I'm not talking about just fundamental, but technical wise. The fundamental is good to talk about the dark pools and short squeeze and short interest is good. However, we can't control what's going to happen. Sometimes we have a lot of short interest, a lot of CTB numbers, but the price continue to go down. You know why? Because we have dark pools. We can control what's happening in dark pools regarding buying, regarding selling. Everything goes. That's why there is some missing data. We can control and we can know what's going to happen. That's why we have misleading information on the internet, and there is even an error regarding the short interest, regarding about some data for a lot of stocks, and this is affect your trading. Every time, if you add the fundamental the technical, you add some percentage of the confluence, and for your trading, you have at least % chance that your trade will goes your way. Hopefully that was informative. We're gonna do update for RDBX, BBIG, the other most talked about stock on Reddit. So hit the notification and like button so you never miss any stock that will squeeze, like HKD or the other stock that will squeeze in the future, because there's always opportunity in the market. However, you have to be ready and hunt. And again, never run after the price. Let the price come to you. See you in the next video.